Tiny stitches, big dreams. Crochet motif adventure begins. Creating magic, one motif at a time for yarn to charm. A crochet top journey. Hello my beautiful crochet family. Today we're starting something super exciting. I'm crocheting these cute motifs and soon they'll come together to create a beautiful handmade top. Stick with me to see how these pieces turn into a wearable art. Let's dive in. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook with a YarnArt Jeans cotton yarn. The recommended hook size for this yarn is between 2mm and 3.5mm depending on how tightly or loosely you crochet. And this yarn is perfect for spring or summer projects, but feel free to use any other yarn you love. Okay, make a slip knot on your hook, and then start with chaining 4, 2, 3, and 4, and join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Also, you can use a magic ring if you want. If you don't know how to make magic ring, you can find it in my beginner's stitches playlist. Okay, this is our little ring. Then make a chain, grab your tail of the yarn and make your stitches over it, and make 10 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook into the circle, bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make single crochet. If you don't know how to make a single crochet, you can practice it with the tutorial in my beginner's stitches playlist. Okay, make your stitches over your tail of the yarn from the first. After that, you make your 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet here, and then pull your tail of the yarn, pull it as you can. Okay, the ring is closed. Okay, then make 2 chains and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. For making double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Actually, we are making 2 double crochet into the each stitches in this round. Okay, look, 1 and 2. Wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook, bring the yarn out, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, if you want practice more, you can practice it with my tutorial of double crochet in the beginner's stitches playlist. Okay, in the end, skip these 2 chains, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and then join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Just skip 2 chains that you made in the first. Okay, look like this. This is the back, and cut the tail of the yarn. If you are working with the single color, you don't have to cut your yarn. Just keep go along by the diagram and skip this part of the hiding the tail of the yarn and the stuffs. Okay, insert your needle into the second stitch here. Look, this is the second stitch. Insert your needle under it, and again insert your needle between the stitch in the first that your tail of the yarn is going out from there, and also insert the needle into the third stitch here, third loop, sorry, and bring it out, and done. This is how I make my ending the rows often. Okay, and secure the tail of the yarn between my stitches, and I don't push too hard the needle also. and also hide this tail of the yarn from the first for the loop, and then cut them very close to the crochet stitches. Okay, for the next round, make a slip knot on your hook and then wrap yarn around your hook 2 times for the triple crochet. Insert your hook into the each stitches you like, bring the yarn out from there. Now pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. This is our first triple crochet, and there is no sign of the chains in the start. Then make 2 chains and again wrap around your hook 2 times and go to the next stitch and bring the yarn out from there. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops, and make 2 chains. Okay, in this round we are making 1 triple crochet plus 2 chains in the each stitches we have on our round. In the end, the total of our stitches must be 20 stitches plus 20 chain 2 spaces. Okay, I show you one more time. 1 triple crochet and 2 chains. Do this until the end. In the end, after that you make your 2 chains, go to the first triple crochet and make a slip stitch in there and finish your third row. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn by the needle. As I said to you, if you are working with the single color, you don't need to cut the tail of the yarn. Just keep go along. Let's skip this part. Okay, move very slowly between the stitches and the other one. Okay, it's a little annoying, isn't it? Okay, cut the tail of the yarn and go for round 4 with the next color. Make a slip knot on your hook and wrap a yarn around your hook 1 time and go to the 1 stitch, each stitch you like. Bring the yarn out from there. Don't complete your stitch. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch. Bring the yarn out from there. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook. Bring the yarn out. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook. Bring the yarn out. Now, pull through all the loop you have on your hook. Okay, it's stuck. And then make 4 chains. 1 chain for this puff stitch and 3 chains for the 3 chain space. Okay, this is our puff stitch. And now for the other one, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, bring the yarn out. Do this 4 times. Okay, this is second and third and fourth. Now pull through all the loop we have on our hook. Okay, and now make 4 chains. 1 chain for this puff stitch and 3 chains for the 3 chain space. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Wrap a yarn, insert, out. Wrap a yarn, insert, out. Wrap a yarn, insert, out. Do this 4 times. Pull through all loops and make 4 chains. Okay, do this for all the stitches you have until the end. In the end, after that you make your chains join with the slip stitch to the chains on the top of the popcorn stitch. Okay, and then cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. As I said to you, if you are making this square with the singular color, just skip this part. And if you are brand new in my channel and also you're enjoying the vibes here, don't forget to subscribe and tap that cute little bell, and maybe share this with someone who needs a little yarn joy today. I would be happy and that would be helpful. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn and go for the round 5. Okay, bring your next color. As usual, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook and go to the any chain space you like. Bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops, skips last 2 loops. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops, keep the last loops. Again, wrap a yarn, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops, wrap a yarn, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops. Now pull through all the 5 loops you have on your hook and then make 4 chains. Okay, this is how we make double crochet 2 together. Again, make 4 double crochet 2 together. Okay, by wrapping yarn, bring the yarn out, pull through 4 times and then pull through all the loops and 4 chains. For the chain spaces, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now bring it out from all the loop and then make 4 chains. Do this all to the end. And then after that you make your chains, join with the slip stitch to the first chain here on the top of the stitches we had on the first. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'd be so happy to see your work. If you try this pattern, feel free to send me a photo via email or Instagram. You'll find the link of them in the description below. I highly recommended you not to miss my next YouTube video. With the motifs I'm teaching you now, we'll be making a super cute spring-summer crop top together, perfect to wear on the beach or while strolling through Hawaiian forest and soaking up the vibes. It's really dreamy, isn't it? Okay. For the round 6, bring your next color, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook 2 times, start from any chain space you like, bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. This is our first triple crochet, and then make 2 chains, and again make 2 triple crochet. It's the first and the second, and then make 1 double crochet into the same space. This is our first corner, and then make 1 chain into the each next 4 chain spaces. Make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, 2 and 3. Now make 1 chain, go to the next chain space, again make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, 2 and 3 and 1 chain, go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, 2 and 3, and go to the 1 chain, go to the next chain space, 2, 3, and the last one 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and make 1 chain. For the next corner, here into the next chain space, make 1 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, 1 and 2, and 2 chains. Again into the same space, make 2 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. Okay, and 1 chain. Repeat this diagram into the each next 4 chain spaces, make 3 double crochet plus 1 chain, and in the corner spaces 1 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, 2 chain, 2 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Go to the end. In the end, make 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet into the chain space, and join with the slip stitch into the first triple crochet, and then go to the chain space with the slip stitch and make 1 chain and 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Again 1 single crochet into the same space, and now make 1 single crochet into the each stitches you have, and 1 single crochet into the each chain space. Okay, then 1 single crochet into the each stitches. Look, 1 single crochet into the each double crochet and 1 single crochet into the each chain space. Okay, and in the corner space into the chain 2 spaces, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet. Okay, let me making my stitches until the next corner just by making the single crochet into the each stitches and 1 single crochet into the each chain 1 space. Okay, when I receive to the corner space into the chain 2 space, make 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and 1 single crochet into the chain space, and do this diagram until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet here and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. You just need lightly steam the motif using a steam iron or pin it on a blocking board and let it set to achieve its perfect square shape. Okay, well, that's it for this motif. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and send this video to your friends that would love a splash of yarn magic in their day. Don't forget to watch next video. Happy crocheting. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.